Hi, I'm Michelle, General Manager for Sun Outdoors Myrtle Beach. Thank you for booking your stay with us. If you're familiar with our Facebook page, then you are familiar with Hunter, and Hunter will be giving you a tour of the resort today.
Hey, thanks, Michelle. Sun Outdoors Myrtle Beach is unique because it is upscale but has down-home southern charm. We have more than 700 RV sites ranging from a standard back-in, a premium pull-through, elite back-in, and elite pull-through. Each site comes with full hookups, water, cable, electric, sewer, and Wi-Fi. When you come back, check out one of our other ways to stay. We have more than 100 Carolina cottages and 7 different floor plans fully equipped for your family to enjoy a week's vacation. There are so many fun activities you can do while you're here at the resort, like our full 18-hole mini golf putt-putt course, plus volleyball, gaga ball, basketball, pickleball, cornhole, and our activities we have planned for all ages from morning till night. One of the amenities that our guests love is that 3-story tall Carolina Splash Water Park. Plus our heated lazy river, the frozen sun bar. You can kick back at 5 of our pools or 2 of our hot tubs. Right up here we have a 32 feet tall water slide, so grab a buddy and take a plunge. Right over here is our jumping pillow. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Bring your kids, come on up. Woohoo! Your 4-legged family members can have a great time on vacation too at one of our 3 dog parks and can get clean at the dog wash station. Right now I'm standing in the Courtyard, and it is one of the best places to take your family and friends to hang out and chat. We have our swings, we have our lounge chairs. You can take advantage of our full-service bar, our full-service restaurant, the sidecar bar, the reception hall, the billiards room, the fitness center, and the yoga studio. There are so many fun things to do beyond the resort in the Myrtle Beach area. Number 1, the beach. You gotta go put your toes in the water, have some time in the sand, but if you're here in downtown Myrtle Beach, you can go on the Boardwalk Promenade and see our friends at the SkyWheel. Our whole team is here to make sure you have an unforgettable stay, like our front office supervisor, Ben.
Thank you, Hunter. And if there's anything that I can do to make your stay a little bit better, come find me in the Welcome Center.
Be sure to download the Sun Outdoors mobile app where you can book your next trip, plan your next adventure, and follow along at the activities here at the resort.
Thank you, Hunter, for giving a fantastic tour of the resort. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Outdoors Myrtle Beach, where you can explore your sunnier side.
See you soon!